Hi everyone. I was looking at this circuit one of the days and I saw Grandad the old man put up a pulse circuit. So I was quite amazed that I happened to be messing around with this. I made this about 8 years ago and I cannot remember the circuit diagram. I mean, I can easily try and find it, but how it's wired up and everything, but I'm not going to bother with it. So anyway, I got two transistors here. Two transistors, two capacitors. This is, I think, 1000 microfarad. I got about 3 resistors. I don't know how I got 3 resistors, but there you go. 3 resistors I can see. And that's it really. And I attached the battery to it and obviously the coil. I just had a, what do you call it? Sewing machine bobbin. Just wound this coil up. What wire are you going to say? I'm not sure what wire I had at that time. But I just filled it up. I didn't care about what resistance it was, and it was fine. So I made this into a little switch here. When you put this on, it becomes a switch, but it's only a little attachment there. It's not a lot, as you can see. Okay, so this is how it works. I've got a ball bearing with 2 magnets on there. You just spin it. Now, it was 8 years ago, and I know a lot of people have made these type of things. So I thought I don't remember having it on my channel, so I thought I'd bring it. There you go, spinning nicely. And that's about it, really. So what this pulsates, and then as magnets go around, as you can see, the LED is flashing. If I move it away, it kind of slows down and stops. So it needs to be pretty close there. I made, normally you need a nice shiny surface, so I just covered it with DVD thing there so you can spin on that. It has to be going to a certain speed before it'll continue to spin. Picking up speed now. So I got it going with the card on top, just spinning there nicely. It was a bit difficult to keep the card upright, but there you go. What I did, I moved the magnets down a bit. Just something different, I suppose. That's when it's not central. Now it looks like it's going faster with 3 magnets. My personal opinion is I don't think it's going faster. It certainly looks like it is, but I don't have the machine to test the speed. Something that I made a little while ago, simple, something to do with trying to make an engine out of it, but hasn't worked yet. So I put 2 magnets on here. And let's see how that goes. It needs to spin though. I know one thing, it needs to spin fast to make it go. Unfortunately on this one, you won't be able to really tell if it's going by itself or this is making it work. But I will feel it here like a pull on the coils, and it'll tell me whether it's working or not. Okay, I'm going to try this, but I will speed up the video so we can see the length of time it works, so we know it is working. So you saw that when I had this on there, it was working, it continued going, but once I pulled it away, it slowed down and it's stopping. Here I have wound a few turns of a wire connected to the LED. The LED does not light up. I had to steady it with that. And this is on millivolts, by the way, guys. See how it goes. So that is giving me 22, anything between 28 and 30 something millivolts out of there. LED is not going to light up because LED works on 3 volts. There you go. So at least you got some millivolts there. So here we are now. So it's got 3 magnets on it. It's spinning well on this. What's now? This is the pendulum clock coil which I'm using. I just put it near the magnet. As you can see on the meter, there's producing about 1.7 volts. That is on AC. So ignore everything else on here. I'm just using this diode here to check the voltage on there. And this is onto DC. This is onto DC now. So let's see if there's any voltage coming out as a DC voltage. So I've got the battery connected, which is 1.5 volts. We know the LED lights up at 3 volts here. I've connected the diode in series with this coil, in series with the battery going there. So once this starts to make 1.5 volts, that should light up, but I don't suppose you're going to see a lot of light there. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that, just lighting up, just about lighting up there, very low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the camera to this. LED. You can see it flickering, right? So I put another LED there and I'm going to try again. As you can see, that's lighting up nice and bright. So we are generating voltage. Here we go. Flickering. Take it away. Here I have put 3 magnets on. I do believe it lights up more brighter. As you can see, with the three magnets, LED is lighting quite bright. I'm going to try with the red LED. So we're getting 1.1 to 1.3 volts from this coil, which is from the pendulum clock that I did earlier, which is brilliant. So please subscribe, leave a comment, thumbs up.